this FigJam template is going to be very easy for you to use. Teachers, feel free to assign this in Google Classroom to your students, or feel free to send them this link. And we're going to get started by clicking Open in FigJam. Continue with Google. Select your APS Google account. Now this template is open in FigJam. If you assign this to multiple students at a time, you could have them split up into groups. If you're assigning this individually to each student, they can pick whichever map they want to do. Over here in the bottom right corner, you can click Zoom in, or you could use your trackpad or the touch screen. You could use 2 fingers to scroll around and move up and down, or you could switch to the hand tool down here by clicking H on your keyboard or clicking the hand with your cursor, and that's going to allow you to drag and drop and move this canvas around so that you can better see the contents. For the activity today, make sure you have your select tool turned on, and the first thing you're going to do is identify locations based on latitude and longitude. You're going to place a stamp mark at these specific latitudes and longitudes. So you'll find 50 degrees north and 5 degrees east, and you'll place a heart stamp. You'll find that heart stamp here under the stamp tool, and then you'll select the heart, and then you'll place it where it should go on the map. After you're done plotting all of those points, you're going to find the coordinates for these stickers here, and you'll write them by double-clicking on the sticky note and writing the latitude and longitude. They're placed here on the map, and you just need to figure out their latitude and longitude and add them to the sticky note. Once you're done, go ahead and share this back with your teacher or turn it in on Google Classroom. It's that easy.